Hey y'all, welcome. It is Shay Cherie. Today we are making these fabric and beaded hoop earrings. Let me take you through the materials that you'll need and show you how. For the base of our earring, we're going to be using some memory wire, and you'll need to cut 2 pieces of that. You'll need 2 ear hooks and also 2 jump rings. Then an assortment of beads in your choice and the pattern of your choice. For the fabric portion, you will need 2 pieces of fabric, each 1.5 by 7 inches, some coordinating thread and a needle, and a safety pin. You'll also need some scissors, some flush cutter pliers, round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, and chain nose pliers. Also some clips. We're going to start with the fabric, and you want to fold over about 1/4 of an inch on each side. You'll be folding toward the wrong side of the fabric. Clip that into place to hold it in preparation to sew. You'll do that with both pieces. Next, you're going to fold each piece in half lengthwise, right sides of the fabric together. Clip that in place, and you're going to sew along the open edge in a straight line. Next, we're going to turn our pieces right side out. I'm using a safety pin for this. I bought some loop turners. I still haven't gotten the hang of them, so we're going to go with our tried and true safety pin. So you want to attach the pin to one side of the fabric. You'll feed the safety pin through the fabric out through the other end, and you'll be turning the fabric outside of itself as you go. We hemmed the fabric to start so that you would have clean edges after you turned it, but depending on how rough you are with the safety pin, you might still have to clean up your edges a little bit. But we'll also take care of that in the next step. We've got one done. Go ahead and repeat that process on the other piece. Here's where we clean up those edges. You could use a sewing machine for this part. I chose to hand sew it. It's only a few stitches. Plus, I wanted to be able to better control where the stitches lay, because you're going to sew it shut, but you also want to leave a small opening at the end to fit your piece of memory wire hoop through. Repeat that process to close each end of your fabric, and make sure you're leaving a small hole on each side. Now it's time to assemble our earring. Take one piece of the memory wire, and you're going to make a loop on one side. This is going to kind of act as a bead stopper for the bead pattern that you put on. Once you finish that loop, go ahead and string on your beads. Then you'll take your piece of fabric and you'll feed the memory wire through this small opening all the way to the other side. Then you'll repeat the same bead pattern to finish off the design. Once all of your beads are in place, go ahead and make a loop on the other end of the memory wire. Now you'll join both loops together with a jump ring and also add on the earring hook. Style-wise, you can leave the earring like so. If you want something different, you can also fold down the end and sew that down as well for a more streamlined look. It's up to you, however you want to rock it. Also, if you want a more scrunched look with your fabric, you can do a longer piece of fabric, like maybe do 12 inches instead of the 7 that I did here. Or you can also add more or less beads. You can play with this and customize it to your liking. I'm making some final little adjustments, but the earrings are now finished. And y'all know, if you go ahead and try these earrings out, I want to see them. Please send me a picture. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please leave a comment below, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.